Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, everyone. Welcome back. We're looking at Dixie on a dollar time frame. I keep saying dollar, daily time frame. As you can see yesterday, we were playing around with being outside of the Bollinger Band because we had our last close outside. Then yesterday's close, we were actually fulfilling the prophecy of the Bollinger Band, meaning if you close outside, the next candle needs to get a new high. We got the new high. We came back close inside of the Bollinger Band, giving you this quick reversion to the mean trade. This is how the Bollinger Band trade works. Another previous time was right here. Okay. Another one was right here. You closed outside, you opened and closed inside. The next one was basically going to the top side. This one wasn't as effective, but as you can see, the hit rate on the Bollinger Band is pretty damn good. So right now, we are testing into our resistance at 103.44. We have about 25 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. Once the 4-hour candle closes, that's great, but we need the next one to go and actually test into this area. If the 4-hour candle closes and this little wick here is resistance, we get the new one to open, and then into New York open, we get some downside. Well, that will give us nice push up on Bitcoin, ETH, and tech stocks into Friday's close, which is like them trying to get the highest possible price for this weekly close. So if they want to short, they can short after the market is closing into the weekend kind of situation. So just be aware of that kind of tricky price action coming into the end of the day today. Quick move up just for taking out early shorts. So that way they themselves get a better short opportunity into the weekend as a hedge. Now do want to delete this one. Just delete it for now. Let's go quickly to a 4-hour time frame. I just want to point out that if we do close this 4-hour above 103.40, then we have our resistance over here at 103.60. Closing above this resistance is going to give us our quick move back into the triangle, kind of forming a little inverse head and shoulder here. Getting a quick move into the triangle, pulling back into the 103, 104 area, and then finding support to continue up is probably more than likely into next week. So just keep in mind that we are in bullish divergence playing out. We are above the 21 EMA on a 4-hour close. Closing anything above the 21 at 102, 103 is going to give us sideways and up. And we'll watch that come play out for the rest of the day today. As this gets a pushback, you're going to see Bitcoin ETH get that upside. As this consolidates here sideways and then continues up after the new 4-hour close, then you might see some upside. This was a new 4-hour candle. I forgot because this is running on New York time, not crypto time. So this new 4-hour closed and open. We got 3 hours and 20 minutes left for the new one. So be aware of that. And now we can go to our daily and Bitcoin. Yeah. There is our daily and Bitcoin. Turn off all the crazy stuff. All right, so here is Bitcoin. Now, a few things to be very, 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 very carefully aware of. One, we are flirting with an exit out of the bullish control zone, and we just tested to get back in and we rejected. This is a setup for a very mean move to the downside. I'm going to point out my levels so it's clear. First level warning is 27,300. Losing 27,300 on a 4-hour close, you're going to be looking for 26,300. That's a $1,000 move. Under that, you're looking for 25.5 to 25.3. So this is a $3,000 setup. From 28,000, you got 1,000 down to 27. You better take some profit. Once you start closing underneath it, you better wait for 26, get some profit. And after that, you're looking for 25.3, get some profit. If the market is efficient and smart, it should do a very fast move straight down to take out all the over leveraged people all the way probably to like 23.5, 23.7, something like that. Sorry, 24 to 23.5 is what I meant. And then you could go sideways, probably do a dead cat bounce to 25, and then really go hurt everyone to come to 21. That seems very possible and logical to me. If price action on today's daily candle does not bearishly engulf this candle and we close above 27.3, I would be looking for sideways and a break up and taking out the highs into the weekend in that low volume environment where they can just sweep all the liquidity of the shorts and then come right iron down. So that's for weekend though. During the week, the way that we're setting up, if Dixie gets its push up into that 103.50 plus, you're gonna see this push back down to the 21 probably around here, like 25.3. So it's a $3,000 potential trade. If you're patient and smart enough to take it, go for it. Stop loss above 29,000 because that way you know that hey, the stop is a hunt. And then if you are able to survive, like properly, if you do it with the Bollinger Band theory, you need to have your stop above 30,300 if you're going to take a short in this range. And that's just me giving you friendly, helpful advice. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we are consolidating on the 21 EMA. We have tested the 21 EMA enough. We just broke it. We reclaimed it. Losing it again here, like I was showing you on the daily, it was just building bear divergences. Well, this thing is going to eventually play out. As soon as you lose this level over here at 26,500, the downside can get really ugly to 25, and you could even go straight to 22 to 21, just to really over leverage longs. And it's not bearish, it's just coming down, testing support. The bearish thing will be that if you get a bounce off of that, at the dead cat bounce into 25K will be a shorting opportunity. And even if it comes all the way down here, if the bounce comes to 27, it's a shorting opportunity. I'll take my profit at 25, and then I'll see if we're going to go fire up or down from there. But this is like a level that I'm using as my median, and I'm using that as a long scalp. And then if it goes lower, I'll DCA into it. And then over here, I'm also taking profits from my short that I already have running. So that is my plan moving forward with Bitcoin. Obviously, outside of 30,300, I'm not trying to short it until 32.5 or 36. And then to the downside, outside of 21.8, I'll try to attack it around 20,300. That's literally an $8,000 move. From here to 20,300, oh, that would be freaking awesome. But yeah, $8,000 move all the way to the downside. And yeah, I always joke about a 10K green candle, but I mean, 10K red candle can come too. And it would be over 10K because why would it stop here? It would probably try to take this liquidity out. So it would be almost a $10,000 candle to just take out this liquidity and then reverse back, do a dead cat bounce to like 25 to take out all the late shorters from here, get them all liquidated, and then do whatever you want to do. But yeah, we're getting ahead of ourselves, guys. Level to level, I just in my head I can foresee price action trying to do those things. So I just wanted to share. Let's go daily to ETH. I don't want to fudge you out of your longs, and I don't want to make you short. I don't want to talk my book like that either. I'm just giving you hypothetical scenarios based on levels. Here is ETH on a daily. I did short this at 11. Well, I shorted it originally at 1840. I took profit 17 something. I shorted it again for like last few days, between 1800 and taking profits near 17. So yeah, this has been a nice repeatable trade. I was short again, basically right here. And I told everyone last night, hey, you should be in a short. And then in the morning, I probably took my profit at like 180%. And I posted it. I took a long off of uh, 178. I took a long off of that something. I already took profit on my long, so it's like just holding. I have a short again, yeah. Oh, when I took that long, the reason why I took that long while we were dumping in the morning is because on the dead cat bounce, I took a short again around like 1790-ish. And then I still have the long and I have the short and I have the straddle. So that way, while I'm making this video, I'm not having to panic and rush into a trade. I do see that this is a possible rolling over and breaking under that $1,700 level that we've tested too many times now. That way, if we go now to 1,700, we're probably going to break through and come into like 1,650 to around 1,550. So that's a $200 move you guys should be prepared and ready for. Same thing with Bitcoin. $200 move on ETH, but that's like an $8,000 move on Bitcoin, doing kind of the same thing that it's trying to do here. Ironic. Um, One thing I will say is I don't want to get bearish until we lose 1740. Until we get a 4 hour open and close until 1740 is lost. I don't want to look for 1680, 1690. But after that, I'll be looking for 1650 to 1640 as like a long opportunity. And I 1650. Okay, yeah. So yeah, I was right. Yeah. So 1650 is what I was looking between 1650 and like 1600 would be like the sweet spot to get this long on a daily time frame to basically close out at 17, reshort 17 to like 1550 or 1460. But like this is not bearish, and to get too bearish, it's gonna you're gonna be the fuel for the upward poke. So just assume that we are not bearish until we lose 1740 on that 4 hour close. After that, I need to lose 1690 on a daily close. And if we lose 1690, 1680 on a daily close, then I'm gonna be like, all right, now I'm suspicious of coming into like the low 1500s, like 1550. And then if we find support here, we can reverse after going sideways. But like, I don't want to think these lower levels until 1700 is basically gone. And I mean, just look at this. We're just dumping right now, right into my levels. So I'm probably up another couple 100%. I should actually scalp that right now. Sorry, guys. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm up probably a few 100%. Yeah, 240%. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and add it to my long right freaking now, and then get a better long entry. There you go, boom. So now my long is 1748. Oh yeah, flush it, baby, flush it. Okay, my long is at 1745 now. My short, I am about to close this sucker again. Come on. Issue with me is I have to do limits. Oh, come on, baby. Boom, short is closed. And now I'm only long from 45, and I'm gonna chill here and wait and see what happens. Okay, back to the video. So see, we broke the level that I didn't want to go under, which was at 1740 level. If we lose this level, I'm going to get more short, but I'm long off of 1745 as we just got on that video. I have no short and I am monitoring this right now, but this was a nice little poke into the liquidity grab area. If we start flushing down more to like 1680, I'm not going to be shocked and surprised. The second I get up to 1650 to 1660, I am going to close some of this long. That way I can have some money left to get into a short again at like 1800 or anything in this between area if it happens. That was extremely fast though, and that's how it works. And I will post that PNL in a second. It's so yeah, it's so the market is moving so hard right now that it did not post yet into my most recently closed trades. It'll be there. I'll post it as soon as this video comes. Let's go to a 4 hour time frame. I'm gonna get us out of here because it's time to trade. I'm about to add a little bit more if we get into the 30s. I'll add like 10% just for a better entry. Okay, so I had 10. Yeah, I'm watching 1700. If we start closing that 4 hour candle under 1700, I'm going to get very, very antsy for much, much lower. I can't get too bearish until we close this 4 hour candle in 9 more minutes underneath 1740. If that happens, the next candle can open and we can continue flushing down. And then I will be like probably getting into a short wherever the heck it's at because I'm already in the long and I'm naked. But I have my entry at 1744 now, so I know I'll be able to escape some of this and minimal profit, and then I will be able to hedge my short accordingly. Yeah, guys, like I said, closing that 4 hour candle under this level is going to be very detrimental for the upside. Please, please, please be careful. There you go, boom, profit taken. And oh man, this is how you scalp while making videos. Love it, love it, love it. I will post my P&L, but I'm long from 1744. That's 20% in profit right now. I don't have a short. I will be looking for my short where I said like around 1750 or something. I don't want to go on a lower time frame right now because it's member stuff, but if I went on a lower time frame, I can give you guys much, 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 much more better numbers. Um, yeah, that was fun, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. If you would do me a favor, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications so you can get these updates as they come out. If you have another asset you would like me to cover that I haven't already, I'd be more than happy to help you with that. Just leave it in the comment section below. I'll get there. And if you know anyone in the field of crypto trading and is interested in this material, please feel free to share our material with them to help us grow. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, after this video is over, I will be going to the Discord immediately to start talking to everyone, making sure everyone's ready. If you have any questions or concerns, you could come over there. The link to the Discord server is in the link of this video below. And it's also got all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend myself. Thank you so much for your time, guys. It's been a very, very active morning already. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Be safe. Enjoy your weekend. Weekend warrior mode starts. Get ready.